Ayan guys, sa video natin today, pag-uusapan natin yung about sa onramp.money. And then guys, kapag i-check natin itong onramp.money sa Play Store, check natin siya. Ayan o, onramp money. Ito yan eh. So makikita nyo, more than 2,000 reviews and 4.8 yung rating ng mga customers na nag-download nitong app. Okay? So, OnRamp is a convenient and secure way to convert your fiat to Web3 money in less than 60 seconds. Ayan. So, 4.8 ratings and reviews. Ayan. So, pwede nyo siyang i-check at your own face. So, itong addition ng OnRamp.money sa KYB partners ng Pi Network is one of the glaring developments na na-observe ko in relation sa recently celebrated natin na Pi 2 Day 2025. Okay? So, nandito tayo sa Pi account natin. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin today. And para magkaroon tayo ng proof na directly in partnership na yung onramp.money sa Pi network ecosystem, i-click natin itong learn more. And then, pwede nyong i-search yung term na KYB entity. Okay? Ayan. Pag click nyo yung KYB entity page, mariredirect tayo sa page kung saan makikita natin yung mga KYB businesses na integrated or in partnership with the Pi Network ecosystem. Okay, so engage with verified businesses in the Pi ecosystem. Okay, so kapag nag-scroll down tayo dito, and so makikita natin dito, merong dalawang obvious na nadagdag, yung onramper and then itong onramp.money. Okay? Itong website na to, it's also a centralized exchange pero naka-locate ito or situated ito sa India. Okay? Makikita natin dito, OnRamp envisions to make Web3 onboarding simple, fast, and affordable. So we help your customers complete payment on your Web3 app in seconds. Okay? So, pwede siyang i-download through Google Play Store or Apple iOS. Ayan. And disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, or exchanges, and even financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies, okay?